I was scrolling Instagram and stumbled upon one of the cleanest Shopify organic strategies that I've seen in a while. And it's for a product that nobody would ever really think to sell. I know personally, I would have never thought to sell something like this. So the product is buildable brick art, but for vinyl covers. So as you see, it's basically a vinyl cover for a popular music vinyl, right? But they basically made it in a way where you can just build it out with Legos. It's super cool. So I actually sorted it by best selling here so we can see some of these really popular albums, right? From Travis Scott, Tyler the Creator, Frank Ocean, we got Kendrick Lamar over here. So you see, they're taking these really popular vinyl covers, but they're able to create an experience out of it and have people build them with Legos. The price point is $50, which is not cheap by any means, right? I mean, it certainly doesn't take $50 of Legos to build this, but because of the novelty, they can charge a premium price. Now, another note that I want to share with you here, I'm going to show you the organic strategy because they're actually driving 40,000 plus monthly visitors right now. You can see this has just continuously gone up, up, up. And yeah, so I want to show you the actual strategy. But basically, this is a product that kind of explains itself, right? It's very novel, but it's also visually striking. When you see this, you're like, whoa, that's kind of interesting. And that's another reason why it's popping off. And it has this like handmade collectible sort of vibe, which is pretty cool. Now let's break down the organic strategy. So they have two social media pages. They have the Stereo Where Instagram page. This is the actual brand page, but this is Andrew Hoer, the guy that founded this, and this is actually how I found the brand. I saw his video on Instagram when I was scrolling, like I said at the beginning of this video. So let me show you the video, one of the videos that I saw, because I believe this was the one right here. Let's check it out and break down the strategy. This one has like, I believe, over 1 million views now. Let me see. So, 500,000 views. That's a lot of views.
I have a problem.
You see, for the last 3 years, I've been turning album covers into Lego.
And in that time, I've built around 100 different covers. However, there are millions of albums out there that you keep requesting, but I don't have the time to design, build, film, edit, market each.
This is so well edited. I mean, like the pacing of this video is so good. The hook, I have a problem, and then, just like the storyline is so well done.
Every single one of them. It's hard to always make the exact one you want. So after months of trying to figure out a solution, I finally met Chris. Now I've been working with Chris day and night, spending way too much money to build a system that finally lets me share what I've built with each and every single one of them. It's actually crazy what we've built. It's a brick mosaic designer. Simply upload any image, choose your size, pick your colors, edit it however you want, and then order straight through the site, and we'll send you the bricks and the instructions so you get to build it yourself. Now it doesn't even have to be album covers. It can literally be anything you want. Comment down the word mosaic and I'll send you the link.
There's so many nuances to this video that's just so important to highlight. First of all, the founder-led content, right? It just feels human. People trust real people, right? Even though AI is getting pretty insane these days and honestly unrecognizable to just the normal eye. I've seen so many people getting caught, falling for AI videos thinking they're real. But this is clearly a founder-led, human right here. So that's the first aspect, right? The second thing is just the process, right? He's kind of going through this founder process of like, okay, I used to make these things and then it was just taking me too long. And then now I made this and now you can buy it too. And it's super unique and very cool. Very nice structure. It's just a solid, like point out the problem, like hook, problem agitation, and then solution at the end. And then lastly, what I think is super genius, and I need to do this way more too in my own content, to be honest with you, is doing this like comment to get the link thing is so brilliant because you can set up easy automations with either Smart Reply or with, I believe most people use ManyChat, but you can do this with Smart Reply too. And basically what you can do is just when you say comment this, you've probably seen this everywhere, it sends an auto DM with the link and maybe like a little message, right? So through this strategy, I'm sure he's getting a ton of sales, and it's just really smart for viral videos. I don't see many like organic drop shippers do this, even though organic drop shippers are some of the like best people at organic marketing. But I don't see them doing this sort of like comment the word this to get this. which is pretty interesting. I think it's definitely untapped for ecom. A lot of people don't do this in e-commerce, but people in like the info space that sell courses and things like that or software, they do this all the time. So I should do it too, for some of my products, my softwares, my businesses. But either way, I just wanted to point that out. Super, super clever, but this guy's always going viral. You can see he's not always going viral. So that's another good lesson here before I dive into the nuance of this store, because I do want to show you some things on the store that are really good learnings and replicable, and basically the reason why their offer is strong. But basically here, you can see he's not actually always going viral, which is good to see. Obviously, I want this guy to succeed, but I like to see that, it's not an overnight success, right? And that he's like, even someone like him gets lower views than some of my videos even, right? Like sometimes I just post like a raw video and can get these, like 3K views. So this just goes to show like the people that just swing more, right? That just take more shots are gonna always be more successful, even if it takes longer, even if sometimes they fail. You don't really fail until you actually give up, and this guy's clearly not giving up. Now, the other last thing before I dive into the store, I like that he's running these 2 Instagram pages too, because you can see this one, for example, this post from July, it's a carousel post, which I'm gonna talk about that shortly. And you can see this has 22,000 likes, and it's literally a carousel post. So let's actually go through it again. Brick vinyls, how it works. Every order comes with the base plate and the brick separator. I think this is actually spelled incorrectly, which is pretty funny. Instructions, numbered bags with 1,000 bricks. Build it yourself. Listen to the album while you build. That's pretty cool. So he's like selling this experience. And by the way, and again, this is not to knock on this guy in any way, shape, or form. This is super, super cool. But yeah, like the margins on these products are probably really, really great because it's super light, right? It's very light, and the pieces are not super expensive. So I think this is a great business. He's not marketing it outside of organic, which I think he should. I think he should definitely run some paid ads, or maybe he does in the UK. I don't know. Let's see. UK. Oh, United Kingdom. Let's see. Nope. So yeah, no ads, no paid advertising. But yeah, so build it yourself. Let's finish this carousel. Decorate your space. Have the most aesthetic room. So he's giving you the use case: framed base plate, nano wall mounting dots, bonus items, gift box, 60-day money back guarantee. Boom. That's like the objection handling, worldwide tracked shipping, all covers available at boom, boom, boom. Super clean, right? And this is just the carousel post. So carousel posts on Instagram can go super viral, and you can make these pretty easily actually these days. He obviously has a very good eye for design and a very strong brand image. So very cool, right? Now, yeah, the last thing I want to highlight is the Shopify setup, why it converts. So the product pages are very simple, and that definitely helps with conversion. So believe it or not, the simpler your product page, actually, oftentimes the better it will convert. So you can see this is very simple. It's nothing crazy. And he says you can add another cover for free shipping plus 5% off. This is really clean. This is well done because it just helps people buy more and get an incentive to do so. Incentives are a really powerful thing when it comes to life in general. So this just incentivizes people to buy another one, which increases the average order value almost by double. That's extremely powerful in the world of e-com and just in general. And then he has more frequently bought together products, loved by customers worldwide, FAQs, view the collections. I'm not a huge fan of this section, not gonna lie. I think it's kind of messy, but I think it's part of the aesthetic as well. So if it's working, it's working. Now, it's not a complicated funnel. It's actually extremely simple. And even on the homepage, they have another offer here, which is buy one, buy two, you save $5 and you get an extra one and free shipping, or you can buy 3, etc. So there's a nice little offer that they got going on. So buy 2 for $94. Like I said, this is a very high margin business. I actually don't know that for sure, but I source products like every single day for a variety of my stores, for partners, and things like that. So I know how much products cost sometimes, and sometimes I do think people think things are more expensive than they really are, which is good, because then that's what presents the opportunity for someone to build a business in that category. Lastly, I want to mention just a broader thing that I've been thinking about. I really do believe we're going into like the renaissance in e-commerce, because people are just constantly looking for new products, new things to add to their lives, and in particular physical products, right? Like they want physical products for their spaces, which is super cool, and it gives me a lot of optimism for the future. I think it's going to be cool. Even just a business like this, like maybe, you know, they're not doing like 8 figures, like $1 million a month or anything. But even if you're doing 100K a month super profitably, even like 20K profit a month is a great business to have, especially if you love it. And especially if it's, you know, providing value for people. And sometimes the value can be something as simple as just a design for your room that you really like. So don't overthink the process of launching a Shopify store too much. I do have an incredible link. I'm a Shopify commerce coach. I have been for a bit. And, you know, we have this link for $1 a month for 3 months. It's literally free actually for 3 days, and then $1 a month. Guess what? Try starting your business with this. It's only going to cost you $1 a month, your online business. Make an Instagram page and start posting content just like this for your product. And let's say if it fails and you don't want to spend the $39 a month that Shopify costs, which you will still need to do that at some point, you can just start over and start a new store with the same link. But all in all, this was a very interesting video that I wanted to make after I saw this guy, Andrew, and what he was posting. I'm going to give him a follow because I respect what he's doing a lot, and I think this is a really cool idea, and I want more people to build ideas like this. But hopefully you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it for you. Make sure you tune into the streams on YouTube, Twitch, and Kick. Ari Shearson, that's just my name, and that's my username everywhere except for on TikTok. It's Sorry Ari, which is my gamer tag for a lot of games that I play, like League of Legends. But yeah, that's about it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.